Today, I'm going to tell you what to do if you've forgotten to soak Rajma overnight. I'm going to take 1 cup of Rajma, and before I soak it, I'm going to nicely wash it to ensure that all the impurities are taken out. This is done manually, the way I'm doing it in a dish. And after nicely washing it, I'm now going to take a vacuum flask. Now, I'm going to put in all the Rajma into this flask. Ensure that the flask is neat after washing. Now, after placing this, I'm going to nicely add boiling water into this. Pour the boiling water directly on the Rajma, and once we've filled it till the brim, we nicely cork it, and we're going to allow it to rest for close to about 1 hour. Now, after 1 hour, I'm going to open this cork. Let us see what has happened to the Rajma that we have nicely soaked in hot water inside this flask. We will drain out all the water, and when you see that the Rajma has nicely got soaked, you will see it is soft, which is almost equivalent to kind of soaking it for about 8 hours. Now I would place it in a cooker and give it about 5 whistles before it is ready.